Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a public profile on Snapchat. Make sure that you have Snapchat uploaded and downloaded on your account. So from here, you can see that button on your profile page. You can see this public profile. You can create a public profile since it is a new feature of Snapchat. So you can create your public profile by showing your name and building your profile or public profile. So in order to create, just get started and click create if you wish to create your public profile. Now let's tap on it where you can edit or delete this one at any time. So here, I'm starting to create my public profile. After tapping that button, you'll be able to see this page wherein you can see that your profile will look like this. You can add a cover photo, you can edit your profile, and also you can add your stories here, spotlight, and insights. Now, if this is not showing on your phone, probably this is what we can do to show this public profile. You can tap on that gear icon in the upper right and then go scroll down to see privacy controls and make sure that all of the options here are set to everyone, that everyone should see your stories and your videos, everything that you will upload. Everyone will be able to access and view. Everyone can contact you, so make sure that you will choose everyone, even sending you notifications and a quick ad, so that your profile will really be set in a public setting. Once you're done with this, all you have to do is just to go back to your main profile and see if this is already available on your phone. If not, just make sure that it's updated. That's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.